Okay, moving on with the next panel, let's talk about the layers panel that we have in AutoCAD. It's a widely used panel, and we as a designer use it very often to create differences between the different objects in our drawing, basically the different properties. So there are three different properties that are taken care of in the layer. So basically these are the color, weight, and the line type. These three are the main properties that are handled under layer properties. So if you see your layer panel over here, we see a layer properties, and if we click on that, you can already see that I have three different layers, including the default layer, which is 0 and it's white in color, and the line type, line weight, all those different properties over here. Now you can see that I have frozen my other two layers. So if I unfreeze them like that, you can see they are back to their position. You can see like that, right? Now from in the layer properties panel, we have some options such as new layer VP froze. So that was the frozen layer that I was talking about, and this one is delete layer and set current layer. So let's say I want to the current set layer is basically the one which you see in the drawing panel. So if this since this one is ticked green, that means that this one is our current layer for now, right? So if let's say I want to assign my wall as my current layer, I can do it like that, right? If I want to assign this as my current layer, I can do like that. Let's switch it to default layer and make it the current layer. Here we have the layer state manager, and here we have new group filter, new property filter. All right, let's talk about the hmm, let's create some more you can say some more layer for our objects. We can